These machines are so massive, they make buildings look small. Number 5. Liebherr LR13000, one of the largest crawler cranes ever built. Number 4. Komatsu D575A Superdozer, a bulldozer so big it reshapes entire landscapes. Number 3. Bagger 288, a moving mining monster taller than a building. Number 2. Liebherr LTM 11200, the strongest mobile crane in the world. If giant machines amaze you, follow the channel. This next one is unreal. Number 1. Bucyrus RH400, the largest hydraulic excavator ever built. And it can move more earth in one scoop than most machines do in hours.